If you want to connect your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max to PC and transfer data, then in that case, the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You can just simply connect your phone to a computer with the USB cable. There we go. Then over here, we should be able to go to notifications, and you can find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification and you want to select File Transfers / Android Auto. There we go. Now you can move on to your PC, and there we go. In here, once you open your PC, you should be able to find the storage of your phone. So we can go to POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, of course, choose internal shared storage, and you can try to find all your files that you have on your phone. So let's say if you go to DCAM and camera, you should be able to find your files in here. You can also go, let's say, to, I don't know, like documents if you have something in here, or to download, and so on and so forth. And you can easily transfer files from the computer to your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.